SEO, search engine optimization. What is it and why it's so important for every company, especially for online entrepreneurs? In this video, this is Luca Papa. I will introduce to the search engine optimization and I'll give you some advice in order to use it properly for your company. Do you want to sell online, or at least to generate leads online and help your sales through a very effective lead generation activity? So if it's the case, you should consider the SEO, search engine optimization. Why? Because there are many channels online, and I've been teaching for many years digital marketing to thousands of entrepreneurs. But one thing that I always tell them is that if you wanna sell faster and high ticket, the search engine is the most important channel for you to focus on. What I mean with it is the most important channel. Why is the most important channel? Because usually on search engines, people is looking for something, so they have a search intent. That means that they need something and they are looking actively for a solution of a need that they feel as urgent in their mind in this moment. That's why they go on Google and they digit something like online insurance, on how to buy a printer and so on. So that means that those kind of leads that you can generate through thanks to SEO are very ready, ready to buy. They are really hot lead, very hot lead. They're ready to buy, and they are just looking for the best solution, the best provider to satisfy their need. That's what they are looking for. That means that the game here is different from the game that you usually do on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and so on, where people is not actively looking for a solution. They are just on those platforms. They are just, surfing, and you are interrupting them. If you want to be effective with SEO, obviously you have to be fast in your marketing funnel, and you have to be ready to do a long-term activity, not just a short-term activity with short-term results. So if you wanna, speed up your sales online, one of the best channels is the SEO. And also, if you look at the return on investment point of view, what happens is that you understand that you are spending more in a SEO activity. You think that you don't spend money because you are not paying an advertising platform like Google or Facebook and so on. But to tell the truth, you are investing in time, energies, consultants, agencies, link building, digital PR, all those things that you need in order to improve your SEO positioning. So that's why it's not so easy to implement something that is effective as SEO strategy, because you still have kind of costs and investment, even if they are different from other situations. What's the difference between SEO, search engine optimization, and SEM, search engine marketing? The difference is that in SEO you are not paying for the clicks that you are getting from Google, while in the SEM activity you are paying for every click, so you are actively advertising your activity on the search engine. Obviously, every company, every entrepreneur wants to get position, to achieve a good positioning without paying the clicks, obviously. But at the end, it's not easy as you might think. So there's a lot of competition, and that's why you need very high skills to reach that goals, to reach the best positioning once you are online. If you want to know more about SEO, and if you want to get specialized and you want to help with your SEO, what you can do, you can ask to Digital Coach for a free consultation, okay? For a free consultation, and we will be happy to help you to to understand if we have some training program specific for your needs, and to help you also on a coaching and consulting level to improve your SEO activity. So once you get to our page, you can ask us a free consultation. Bye bye, Luca Papa, Digital Coach.